Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with someone who has pretty thin hair. Looks like she has some grown out color here as well, bit of ash blonde. Stylist cuts the hair and then proceeds to shampoo it. Wow, look at that dryer. I love to see the overly advanced high-tech dryers. They just look so interesting. So the stylist proceeds to cut the hair. And it looks like he is doing a bob here. And if you do have hair that is long and thin, cutting it shorter into a bob or a pixie is definitely going to give you more of a volumized look and just kind of make it appear like your hair is thicker, especially if your stylist is adding a lot of texture through the cut. Does add some bangs here. Oh, wow. Look how much more volumized her hair looks. Absolutely gorgeous. The color looks very nice as well. Beautiful transformation. So here we also have someone with hair a bit on the thinner side. Like the stylist is going shorter. Beautiful banged bob. So yes, going shorter can definitely give you a thicker appearance. So once again, we have another bob makeover here. Look how volumized her hair looks. Wow, absolutely gorgeous, especially with the red lip. So pretty. So I have a lot of bobs in today's video. I swear this is one of the most popular hairstyles for the fall, so it's definitely a classic, and a lot of women like to cut their hair off into a bob during the fall, winter months, and as well in the spring. So she gets a bob here with bangs. And then it looks like we have another bob variation in the works. Once again, her hair is on the thinner side. And she gets a nice updated appearance with a modern bob. Nice amount of bangs in the front to frame up the face. Oh, I love this color she ended up getting here. And this is a nice tousled bob too. So then we have someone with hair around shoulder length, just a bit of around, I'd want to say mid-length. So the stylist goes in with the shampoo. There's that fancy dryer. And we have a cut. So she's getting a nice classic bob as well. Beautiful center part and a nice shoulder length variation. I love the amount of fullness that this has. Very cute. And this is a great example of going shorter, but not too short, because she still has a lot of hair that she can play around with. I mean, with this length, if she wanted to, she could still do like a ponytail or half up, half down style. Gorgeous. That is like the perfect length for her face shape as well. So here we have someone with very long mid-back length hair, almost waist length. And it looks like she is going for a bob. Stylist adds some bangs in the front. Wow, so gorgeous. Beautiful makeover. She looks like she could be a model. I love the texture the stylist did here. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Stylist cuts that hair right off, does some shaping. And does this gorgeous bob with bangs. Very nice. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she is going shorter with more of a mini bob. Bangs in the front. So gorgeous. Definitely giving that French girl bob variation. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Oh, looks like she's going very short with this makeover and getting a pixie. Wow. Oh, I'm in love with this. I love how it forms her face. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles. Perfect for the fall season. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you in the next one.